Let's now get you the latest from India, where resentment over the amended citizenship law among certain quarters has culminated into a series of protests. And now the Supreme Court of India has issued a notice to the Government of India on the Citizenship Amendment Act, and the top court will be taking up petitions challenging its validity on the 22nd of January 2020. At least 59 petitions have been filed in the Supreme Court, and the petitioners include the political parties, leading politicians, students and lawyer associations. In a brief hearing this morning, a three-judge bench of the Supreme Court of India, headed by Chief Justice of India, S.A. Bobde, declined to stay the implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act, but it has issued a notice to the centre asking it to respond to the 59 petitions that have been filed. The Supreme Court will also examine the validity of the Citizenship Act and set the 22nd of January as the next date of hearing in this matter. Now let's take a look at what the petitioners want. The petitioners seek the amended 2019 citizenship law to be struck down. They say the law violates fundamental rights, particularly Article 14. They want the court to decide whether religion can be the basis to declare someone a citizen. Petitioners also want to know on what basis did the central government conclude that non-Muslim migrants need to be given Indian citizenship while the same is being denied to Muslim migrants. They question the discretion of the central government to exclude Sri Lanka and Myanmar, where religious persecution is rampant. They also question the assumption that Muslims in Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh face no discrimination. Reacting to the situation on the ground, Union Home Minister Amit Shah refused to back down in the face of these nationwide protests. He said that the centre will do everything in its power to provide citizenship to persecuted minorities in neighbouring countries. He said, and I quote here, "Come what may, the Modi government will ensure that these refugees get Indian citizenship and live as Indians with honour," unquote. That statement came during a rally in New Delhi's Dwarka. Addressing the apprehension of protesters, Shah also said that nobody is going to lose Indian citizenship and that injustice will not be done to anyone.